This is my water boiling on fire. This is the first stage. You boil your water on fire. After that, you add in your e-wax. You get another pot, get another clean pot, clean dry pot. Add in your e-wax, your cetyl alcohol, your stearic acid, and your paraffin oil. But I use just e-wax and cetyl alcohol and paraffin oil. So in a clean pot, you put your e-wax, your cetyl alcohol, and you pour your paraffin oil inside and put the pot on fire. You now allow it to melt. You stir it while it melts. You stir it while it melts. Stir it while it's melting. You allow it to melt. You let it melt. This is a 10 liters production. So the water that I boiled first is 5 liters of water. So these are my, so it has melted. As you can see, it has melted. So it has to be clear. When it's very clear, when you see that there's no particle inside the pot again, everything is just like oil. You now bring it down and pour it into the hot water, into the hot 5 liters of water, because I'm making 10 liters of deep conditioner. So I'll pour my melted e-wax and cetyl alcohol and paraffin oil inside my 5 liters of hot water, hot boiled water. Then after that, proceed to the next stage. You now stir. You stir, 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 then proceed to the next stage. So this is me here adding in my vitamin E. This is me adding in my diquat A. Then the next thing to add will be glycerin. Okay, I'm stirring. I need to stir. After stirring, I'll proceed with the next step. Make sure you stir your production. So I've added my vitamin E, glycerin, and this is me and diquat A. So now I want to add in my glycerin. This is me adding in my glycerin. So this is me adding in my glycerin. Then my perfume. After that, I'll stir. Then add in my cold water, my 5 liters of cold water. From the beginning, we used 5 liters of hot water, hot boiling water, and now I'm using 5 liters of cold water, making it 10 liters of deep conditioner. So you have to stir very well. As you can see, it's already forming small lumps, but that's not a problem. When you leave it for like 24 hours, everything will dissolve very well. Then you can use you stir very well. You now leave for 24 hours and then use your hand mixer or hand blender to blend and make it fluffy. So I'm still stirring. The stirring is very important. You have to stir your production very well so that you don't end up with lumps in your products. So this is me using my hand mixer to mix my conditioner very well so that I don't end up with lumps. As you can see from the video, there's even no lumps. I'm just trying to make it fluffy. That's just all. You can skip this part, but if you have your hand mixer, you can use it to mix it and make it look fluffy.